And it's Bonnie. Happy dreary Sunday. Oh my gosh, the weather is terrible. Gloomy, cold, rainy. But I did go out today. Check it out. I got kettle corn. I actually went to Patterson's Fruit Farm. Many of you, if you're from Northeast Ohio, you might know Patterson's. They're in Kirtland. Are they in Chesterland? I think they're in Chesterland. You drive through Kirtland to get to Chesterland. But they had a big tent. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm a kettle corn fanatic. I need a kettle corn candle. It's just so good. It's like, they cook it in this giant, like, I don't know, like metal tub. I don't know. But anyway, I got the big one. Look at this. We already ate half of it in the car on the way home. I got my kettle corn. I went to Bath and Body Works. Yay. Oh, I bought apples too. Really nice ones, I have to say. I got the Honey Crush. That was something. I finished my kettle corn. And I did exactly what I said I wasn't going to do. I bought Christmas soap today. Oh my gosh. So, I'm on my second iced tea of the day, by the way. So, I'm going to Bath and Body Works. I had the 25% off coupon. I know I could have done the BOPUS, buy online, pay in store. I don't know why. I am not a BOPUS person. It just doesn't work with me. I'm very spontaneous, and ordering online and then having the pressure of having to go in the store and pick it up is just too much for me. I don't know, because I'm like, I don't know what my schedule is going to be. Is anyone else like that? It just doesn't suit me. I don't know. So I only got 5, but I got some Christmas soap. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you guys what I got. And because I had the coupon, I'm like, not a big deal. So I wanted to show you this soap because online today, Bath & Body Works is doing, get rid of that, $3.25 on the soap. Candles are $13.95. Actually, I feel like I got a great deal on the candles because they were $13.95 minus 25%. I probably should have gotten more candles, but I have a whole load of them coming in the mail. So, what should we do first? Soap or candles? We're going to do soap. Well, these are really pretty, by the way. Oh, my goodness. So, check it, check it, check it. Woohoo! I'm going to do the lift here. These are beautiful. I got to say, get a little excited for Christmas, you guys. We still have October. I'm really excited for Vlogtober. But I'm getting excited for Christmas, too. So the first one I got is the crushed candy cane. Oh, my gosh. Crushed candy cane. It smells so good. It smells like a Spangler candy cane. It's wonderful. I got the brand new cookie butter truffle, which is cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. I gotta say, I am loving this. Why don't we have a body care in this scent? Oh my gosh. This would be wonderful. I get the butter, I get the vanilla. I don't know why they can't make this in a body care. I would be like thrilled to have this in a shower gel, in a mist. I don't know. We need this in a body care. I got 'Tis the Season, which I probably won't use right now. This one's a little too Christmassy for me. Oh, but it smells so good. It just smells amazing. I got the iced cinnamon rolls. Oh yeah, iced cinnamon rolls. Oh, smells like Cinnabons. And then the 5th one, check it out. This is the new one. I didn't realize this was a nutcracker, by the way. The picture online, it just made a gold thingy. Sugar plum and rose. So this one is blackberry, sweet sugar plum, and iced rose. It's very different. I kind of like it, and I'm kind of wanting a body care. I'm like, really? We get these in a soap, but we can't have them in a body care. So I was really excited about my soap haul today. And then I got 2 candles. Okay, so here's what I got. Oops. The first one I got is the pistachio toasted vanilla, which I now remember. I like this one. I gotta say, the hammered metal jars, they're pretty cool. Salted pistachios, toasted vanilla almonds. I like it. I'm gonna have to review this one. I have so many Christmas candles. Okay, next up, I did get this one. I have this one coming in the mail. Spiced Citrus Grove is so good. Oh my gosh. It is ripe oranges speckled with cloves and cinnamon and nutmeg. Oh my gosh, it smells just like the orange that you put the clove in and you put cinnamon and nutmeg all over it. Oh my gosh, this to me smells like my childhood Christmas so much. It's like a craft store. It's like everything that smelled good about Christmas to me when I was young is in this candle. And oh my gosh, you guys. So you put a gold lid. Look at this. These gold lids are so pretty and they look so nice on this collection. I don't know why Bath & Body Works didn't give us that lid for this collection, but I'm actually really happy I have a second one of these coming. I was going to gift this, but I'm like, I'm saving this. This is like one of my favorite new scents now. Like I said, it's called Spiced Citrus Grove. Oh my gosh. I can't stop smelling it. It does smell like everything that Christmas is made of. So I did it. I got some more Christmas stuff today. What is wrong with me? Yes, it's funny. I'm like, I'm not buying Christmas soap. I'm not doing it. What do? I end up at Bath & Body Works buying Christmas soap, but at least I did a fall thing today, and I got my Kettle corn. I'm gonna have to pull my Kettle corn candle out. I think I still have that one. This is so good, you guys. Go pick up some Kettle corn. Hopefully next weekend is a little bit sunnier. I won't mind going back to Patterson's to get some more stuff. I had like the apple pies and the pumpkins. I'm getting into pumpkin mode now. So anyway, I will be back later. We're mixing up the seasons. See you guys in a few. Bye-bye.